Hi guys, today for our cooking class we're going to be making trail mix. Can you tell me what the first step of cooking is? Washing your hands. Yes, so go pause the video and wash your hands with soap and come back when you're ready. So now that you're back, you're going to get this bag from your box. It has pretzels, M&Ms, chocolate chips, marshmallows, and raisins. So pause the video and come back when you have your bag. Okay, so now we're gonna take some stuff out of our bag. So we're gonna take out all of our ingredients and we're gonna lay them out. And all we have to do to make our yummy trail mix, our next step, is to first take our pretzels, and if some of them are crushed, that's okay. And you're gonna put them back into this big Ziploc bag. I'm gonna pour them in. So once you're done with that, take the next bag, and this has M&Ms and chocolate chips. And you're gonna pour it into the same bag with the pretzels. And then the next thing we're gonna do is take the raisins, and to open it, you just have to pop open the cap. And then you're gonna pour your raisins into your plastic bag. So can anybody tell me what trail mix is used for? It's used for camping. Good job. So, once you're done putting your raisins in your plastic bag, we're gonna move on to the final step, or then the next ingredient, which is the marshmallows. So what you're gonna do with the marshmallows is take them out of their plastic bag, and you're gonna rip them up into smaller pieces. Ooh, look how nice that looks. And this is why it's super important that you guys wash your hands, because you don't want your germs all over your food that you're gonna be eating. Yummy. So like I was saying, trail mix is used for camping because it's an easy way to store food and like a good snack that's not gonna go bad. So if you don't know what camping is, it's when you go out into the wilderness and you sleep in a tent, you spend time with some like animals and nature, and it's really nice. So I know it's super sticky, but you gotta keep ripping it up, the marshmallows. This is the best part of the trail mix, or my favorite part of the trail mix. So then once you're done ripping it up, you're gonna take all this marshmallow, you're gonna open your Ziploc bag, and you're gonna put it in. Make sure to keep them separated as best as you can. I know it's hard because they stick to your fingers. There you go. And then the final thing, we're gonna close our Ziploc bag, and we're gonna mix it all together super well. You can shake it. Try to make sure it doesn't stick. Mix it up. And there you go, there's your trail mix. And it's super yummy, and you have your chocolate chips and your marshmallows and your pretzels and your M&Ms. And it's a perfect snack. So thank you so much for paying attention and listening. I hope you enjoy your trail mix. Thank you.